and this video will teach you how to send Bitcoin from any wallet or crypto exchange to your Cash App account. First of all, you need to activate the Bitcoin function on your Cash App account. So you need to open the Cash App, then click the bank icon in the bottom left corner and you will see the Bitcoin. You need to click the start button and activate the Bitcoin wallet address on your Cash App account. After you will have the Bitcoin wallet address on your Cash App, it will look like this. There will be your balance, in this case 0 at the moment. There will be buy, sell and send buttons, and under them there will be view Bitcoin address button. You need to click on it and you will see your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. After that, you will be able to send Bitcoin from any other wallet or crypto exchange to your Bitcoin. For example, I will show you how to do it from Binance. You can open your Binance account. This process is similar for any other wallets. And so in this case, I will show you the most popular example. You need to go to the Binance, then click Assets in the bottom right corner and click on Send. Right here, you need to choose Send. Right here, you need to select On-Chain Withdraw and you need to select the Bitcoin because Cash App only supports Bitcoin and we have got the Bitcoin wallet address. In the address, you need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address from Cash App. It automatically selects the network and then you need to choose the Bitcoin network, and in the amount you need to select the amount of BTC you want to withdraw from Binance, in this case from Binance to your Cash App. Then click withdraw and in the few minutes you can check your balance on Cash App. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.